Okay, what is going on, guys? I thought you were never What's up, guys? What's up? What is going on? Nah, bro. Um, I've been here since I got back Monday, so I didn't do Monday um live, and obviously all last week I was away for military. Monday I got back. I didn't do any lives Monday. Tuesday I was live inside the Discord. We did London last night inside the Discord, and then now I'm here. So the rest of the streams are going to be here um, on YouTube. All right, we are fully back in action. So let me begin. Trying to load the music up, guys. Give me a second. All right. Are you the one who fell in Kuwait? Brother. Okay. Okay. Let me tell you guys what's gonna happen here. So this thing, obviously, we had a chance to be bearish here at this 4 hour fair value gap, right? This was NQ's chance to be bearish and show a bearish hand. However, what happened here? We hit it. We hit the 4 hour, and we got a 15-minute change in state lower, and it got completely obliterated in the next hourly candle. So this, obviously, you know what I'm saying, nothing happening there. So I'm in favor of longs here. I think that 930 here is going to open up and push up to previous day high. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, this, to me, it looks like it can only really go higher. Yeah, I know. I went live after a while, boys. I'm well aware of this fact. But we're gonna have we're back to like the daily lives anyways. All right, let me put this these 20 accounts up here. There we go. Traded these in London last night with the Discord. We had like 3 trades, I think. 3 or 4 trades total, $104 loss, like some wins, some losses, some break evens. These, by the way, are my old 20 accounts. These are the legacy ones, which are different from the current accounts. So these still have trailing drawdown, still have 30% consistency, like, you know, all that stuff. So the goal here is, like, I just want to get to 1 payout on these, and then as soon as we get to 1 payout, I will most likely just blow them all and go for the new ones. But for now, I'm stuck with these. Bro says he live streams 2 times a day and no live stream for 6 days. Yeah, I was fighting for your I was in the trenches fighting for your freedom from Wednesday to Monday so you could sit on your ass and join this live. You understand? I was... I'm kidding. I didn't do shit. How's drill? It sucked. Working with the big Yahoo. He got shot 71 times. Have some respect. Okay, let's okay, there's the 9:30 a.m. Should go higher. Defo should go higher here. Yep, there it is. No, like, entry there for me there. Yeah, no entry there, but yeah, nice. Previous day high is where I would be looking for this to go. We got it right up here. I'm gonna set an alert for previous day high. So as soon as it hits, we know. But, yeah. Out with friends last night? I was not out with friends. I was live in my Discord. Why are you still in the army if you're rich? I signed a contract when I was poor, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't just get out of the contract. Unfortunately. I passed my account in 1 second. Nice, bro. Yeah, bias was correct there. Just no no entries so far. Yet, no entry. But previous day high is going to be the target here. Like, ultimate target is going to be previous day high. It's just, is it going to give me an entry before it gets there? We did have this 1 hour order block here. One thing. 1 hour OB. And out of that 1 hour OB, we are going to get a 5-minute change in state right here. So we could, this is something to watch for sure. Something to watch. Are you live every day on your premium Discord? Not every day. I'm live half the times I'm live here. And if I don't go live here, I go live there. What PDH? It's right here, gang. PDH did not get swept in London. Oh, also forgot to mention. Oh my goodness, forgot to mention. A lot of people in here were gassing up Lucid. I did get a chance to try it out. I was a fan. So now officially there's a code key on Lucid too. So you can enjoy 50% off. I believe it's 50% off your first 2 accounts on Lucid. If it's your like actual first 2 accounts, you get 50% off using code key. And then I don't know what the running promo is, but lock in with code key on Lucid, guys. So now we have pretty much all the best firms. Like literally every good firm that's out there, we have code key for. So we have Tradeify, Lucid, TPT, Apex, Alpha, BG, like pretty much every good firm, bro. 30%. Okay, so if it's not your first 2 accounts, it's 30% off. W. Scott Taylor, what's good? What's good? Uploaded 3 live stream edited. Getting ready to upload to YouTube channel. Bro, give me Scott Taylor, give me the YouTube channel. Give me the YouTube channel and I'll look at it. I'll look at it. Can you show what high you're considering as PDH? It's literally right here. My brother and like my indicator has it marked out for me. It's right here, gang. You go to the daily chart, you look at the previous day, and then you draw it out. So this is what I have here. It's 25011. 25011. How do you not see that on your chart? I mean, I'm on MNQ. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. I highly doubt it. 24,850? It is not 24,850. I don't know where you guys are getting that from. Where do you see 24,850? Yeah, hold on. What does NQ show? NQ PDH is right there too. You guys tweaking out, man. 24,850. Are you on like a CFD chart or something? PDH NY open? Why would PDH be NY open? Bro, who puts New York as the PDH? That's if you guys doing that, I have never seen somebody do it. I think that's wrong. Yep, 5-minute change in state right here. Interesting look. If we can come back down here, I'm not fully opposed to maybe smacking a little long. I would go light though. 2 micros, we're at $256 a risk. Flip, dude. I'll try with 1 micro. I'm in. 1 singular micro. I'm in 1 micro, bro. 1 micro on these 20 apexies. I'll go a little bit higher on the TP though. Go a little bit higher for sure. I'm down to kind of like staircase into this though, as long as it starts to look good. But yeah, let's try with 1 micro first and kind of see how it goes. This 1 hour OB, 5-minute change in state up. Assuming that we are bullish into previous day high, it should be from here. So let's see. Don't really have anything else. Besides, if it goes a little bit lower, we can get a trade off of this, which I hope we do after 10 a.m. though. The 10 a.m. has a nice manipulation leg, but this Wixie is 760. So mark that 760.25. Not bad to mark right there. 760.25. And we don't have anything lining up on lower time frame there. 2 5-minute gaps. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me move this over. There we go. Yeah, I'm for sure a fan of this 760 at 10 a.m. though. At 10 a.m. Look at ES. What's ES doing? What about it? ES is bearish. This candle's red on ES. ES pretty bearish. Flow model will be a short here. No, this is okay. So the whole reason why I said bullish, or the reason I'm bullish into previous day high, is because we have a 4-hour gap right here, and this 4-hour fair value gap failed to deliver lower. Right, we hit this 4-hour gap. We got a flow model short actually right here on the first tap, and what happened to it? It got absolutely wrecked. So therefore, just based off of that alone, I would be bullish into the, this session here, and like obviously towards previous day high. That's where like a good chunk of this bias comes from, is us unable to deliver lower out of this 4-hour gap. So like if it presents a flow model again for a second time, I would not take it. Right, it has proven itself to be untrustworthy based off of here. So I wouldn't be a fan of re-shorting the same gap, the same setup. Invalidates FVG once. The theory is the FVG is invalid from that point onwards. Correct. I mean, we had a full actionable setup here, right? Like we had a full market maker sell model. Like got our change in state there, everything. Like The whole deal. Everything was there. And so, you know, because it didn't play out, tells me that this is not bearish here. Definitely not bearish here. I always marked NY session high as PDH. Well, you're fucking out of your... Who told you to... Who the hell told you to do that? Why? PMI at 10? Yep. PMI is at 10. Yeah, you can wait till 10. It'd be better to wait till 10 anyway. This is only 1 micro, so it's kind of whatever. Setup was there. But the better look at 10 is if we come and hit this at 10. Needs to hold like current price action though before 10. Or it goes to this 4-hour gap down here. This open 4-hour gap, it could go there too. Yeah, so we have either this 1-hour wick CE or the 4-hour gap. Those are kind of the only places for 10 a.m. to manipulate into. So as long as we can, you know, hold this area above the wick CE and the 4-hour gap until 10 a.m. opens up, cool. We good. We good. Yeah, the chart is disgusting, bro. We traded London last night. It was foul, bro. It was absolutely foul. I haven't seen that bad of a London session in a long time. It was disgusting. Can you trade PMI in TPT? No, you cannot trade PMI on TPT. Cannot trade red folder news on TPT. So if you have TPT accounts, make sure you're out before 10. What? What just happened? Did my stream just bug out? Yo, what is happening? What's going on? It said OBS disconnected and then reconnected. All right, whatever. Apex you can trade. Yep. Apex you can trade. Yep. You trade Asia? I did not trade Asia, bro. Just London. London has been where the move happened, though. Yeah, I know. And I expected last night's London to, like, get a nice move. But the move actually happened. It's actually quite unfortunate, the situation. We were long down here in late Asia. I started at 12. I started the live stream at 12. We were long down here. I moved my stop loss, like, way too quick. End up getting stopped in profit. And yeah, that would have been the move. So yeah, pretty upsetting. Never moving a stop loss again after that one, bro. I'm not gonna lie. ES is weak, dude. The fact that NQ is holding up like this is actually really surprising me. ES is insanely weak. I mean, ES is about to go take this low. I don't know how NQ is held. It's probably gonna... This trade probably gets stopped out, is my guess here. I'll just hold it to the stop anyways. It's 1 micro. It's whatever. But this trade, the way ES looks, if NQ continues... you know, going with ES, this is gonna go straight to the stop. ES is at this low, bro. Yeah, I'll be live Asia. Hey, bro, for the rest of the week, New York and Asia lives are going to be as normal. So I'll be here for New York. I'll be here for Asia. Should I enter now? Oh, stop asking me if you guys can enter, bro. Trying to buy more? Nah. Nah. I just told you, ES is weak, bro. This is, I think this gets stopped. Yeah, one of the big tech. Well, who is it? It might be Nvidia. I think it's probably Nvidia that's holding like this. I haven't checked, but let's see. Yeah, it's Nvidia, bro. Nvidia's up. Nvidia's uppies. 5-minute CSD. Yeah, but the thing is, there's no 1 hour gap or anything to support. By the way, I took that trade off there. 1 micro is out. There's no substance behind this 5-minute CSD, bro. This one there is, the upper one, because we had a 1 hour order block. This bearish one, there's no 1 hour PDRA for a 5-minute CSD to work, right? Now, I just would like for this to hang around here, not get too close to this. That's a 1 hour gap. Bro, I just got done telling you how this gap is invalid. Just got done telling you guys, bro. Some of you guys don't listen, I swear to God. This gap got hit here. It got hit here. Unable to create a new low. And it got hit here. And it got hit here. So, yeah, ain't gonna work, buddy. So, what I want to see here now is market kind of just maybe consolidate in this area just so we hold these lows. 10 a.m. opens, 10 a.m. pushes to either 760 or that 4 hour gap we have lower. I mean, I would like to see just 760 and bounce. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, the only reason, again, like I said, for not shorting this 4 hour is because you could see right here, right? We hit this 4 hour right here. We hit it. We got an actionable setup lower. We got a 15-minute change in state lower. And no delivery to the downside. So to me, that is not really showing you know, some bearish movement there. Made 1300 during Asia 10 p.m. PO3 bank. Nice. Yeah, I needed to just kind of chill here for a little bit. And then boom, and then boom. I'll mark the 4 hour gap too. Like that. So we have it. And now we'll watch this thing. Are you able to stream as well to premium so no delay? Is there a delay, bro? There should be like no more than like a 3 to 5 second delay here. It is on the lowest latency. It's like ultra low latency right now. $10 to 15 seconds. No shot. Refresh, bro. There's no way it should be a 10 to 15 second delay here. 4 seconds. Yeah, I mean, that's like pretty normal. If you're stranded on an island, what 5 essential things are you bringing with you? Damn, that's a good question. I really don't know, bro. I never even thought about this. You gotta give me a second to think. Should get waves, bro. I can't get waves, bro. I do need to get a haircut. Let me schedule a haircut, bro, with my barber. I need a goddamn haircut, boy. Lock in. All right, boom. How can you have facial hair in the military? You just gotta have like copious amounts of motion, and then when you have motion, they basically let you do kind of like whatever you want, you know? Yeah, that's kind of... Bro, scheduling a cut with these cuts. Bro, these cuts is useless, bro. It's kind of like just chopping around. This 9:30 open has been very uneventful. The only thing this did was make that initial push higher. That's it. You're stranded on Little St. James. Why would I be stranded on Little St. James, bro? Why would I be stranded on there? How's Ramadan going? Pretty good, bro. Vic Blends? Bro, Vic Blends is ass anyway. I wouldn't let him touch my shit. Vic Blends is buns. Yo, guys, make sure you guys like the stream, bro. Like up the stream, man. Like up the stream, brothers. I don't understand the whole war shit. NASDAQ goes higher, gold goes lower. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of insane, bro. Kind of crazy. So we had the South Korean currency collapse yesterday. We had Dubai's currency collapse yesterday. We started fighting Ecuador. We are clearly in a war with Iran. I mean, I don't understand, dude. Like, why are we not making yearly lows? Shit just wants to go up. That just kind of goes to show you the extent of the manipulation here, bro. The big Yahoo's got his hands dipped everywhere, man. He's way too locked in, bro. Ecuador, yeah. Yeah, bro. Being in a war is new normal now. It's just, bro, this thing is extremely manipulated, bro. The big Yahoo? The big Yahoo, who is he? He's the NASDAQ admin, bro. Where do you see the news? Twitter, bro, Twitter. Twitter, real-time news. What's up with Apex new account expiration after 6 payouts? It's just one of the rules that they have, I guess. You know, it's the people that are complaining about that. See, basically, after 6 payouts, you get to go live with them, which is pretty sick. If you've never traded a live environment with a prop like Apex, which is, I mean, your balance on your live is going to be massive. But you get to go live with them, and if you've never even gotten a payout, those are the people that are really complaining. The genuinely, the people that I hear complaining about it are like, damn, bro, capped after 6 payouts. Twin, you didn't even get 1 payout yet. What do you mean capped after 6 payouts? Oh my God, worst prop firm, bro. Capped after 6 payouts, bro. Get 6 payouts first. Get 6 payouts first, and then you could cry about it. Saying you need to have a rebirth after making, yeah. Bro, by the way, let's just, hold on. Let's just like clarify this real quick, right? 6 payouts, right? 6 payouts on 20 accounts. So the minimum payout, let's just go with, okay, actually, no, not minimum, maximum. At 2 grand, we can average it at 2 grand, right? $2,000 times 20 times 6. So 40 grand times 6, you're looking at $240,000 pretty much total until those accounts get closed. I think you're not going to be complaining after you're after you're $250,000 richer, that you could get to just restart again, gang. My bad, Key, I'm trying. It's 6 payouts per account, bro. 6 payouts per account. They put you in a live after 6 payouts. Yeah, they put you in a live after 6 payouts. And it does not mean that you can't just buy more evals. You can still buy more evals, pass, and then redo the 6 on new 6 account or new 20 accounts, right? Or new however many accounts. Where you been? I told you guys before I left, I'm going away for the army, bro. I had to go for the army. I was in the front lines, bro. Yeah, I was in the front lines for a few days, man. I'm close to blowing my funded account. Save me, Key. Bro, I'm trying, but this market, look at what we're doing here. We're doing absolutely nothing. Watch this 10 a.m. open up. Yo, watch this 10 a.m. open up and go straight to previous day high. Watch. Watch this shit. Me and the admin gotta throw hands. On God, if this opens up and goes straight to previous day high, me and the admin gotta throw hands. I'm on the next flight. I'm on the next flight to Tel Aviv, and I'm locking in with Yahoo in person, bro. He's gonna hear it from me, bro. Like this 15-minute looks pretty solid here. So does the hourly. So does the 4-hour. Like, it looks pretty solid. I don't know if it'll come all the way back down here to retest that area again. Canada. Why the hell would I be in Canada? I'm not in Canada. We're getting free codes today. Yo, guys. A new firm has given us free codes. A new firm has given us free codes. Tradeify has given me free codes to give away to you guys. So I will give away some accounts today. They're going to be Tradeify 50K select accounts. Tradeify 50K select, I believe. So lock in with them. Lock in with them. Bro was the bus driver. Yo, that like deadass was the unfunniest comment that I've ever read in my life. I bought 2 Apex accounts on your code. Are you able to copy trade them on TradingView using it without using a trade copier? You can't copy trade on TradingView with any account, like any firm, without a trade copier. You have to have a trade copier. Yo, bro, accessory question. Stop asking me the same thing over and over again. You're now muted for 10 minutes. Congratulations. I just said I will be giving away accounts. 100 free codes when 20k subs? Yes. Yes. 100%, bro. Don't worry, bro. 100. I'm going to do... I don't think one single firm is going to give me 100 codes. So I'm going to have to like... I'm going to have to do multiple different firms, basically. I think Tradeify will send me some. I know Apex will send me some. Who else? Maybe Alpha might send me some. Tradeify. It's the 50k selects. 50k selects. Here's 10 a.m. What are we doing? Is he gonna get the push to previous day high? These shorts are good now. No. Is wealth charts? No, do not buy wealth charts, bro. I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what that is. I only buy Tradeivate. Do not buy the rhythmic ones either. The rhythmic ones are trash. Only Tradeivate. We have a 1 hour FVG. You don't use any of those, bro. I just got done telling you guys why that 1 hour and 4 hour are both invalid. Ragebait TGR, stream your own broke to profitable mentorship. Bro, the crazy thing is we took a kid. Like basically I took a kid from completely unprofitable to profitable. If you guys used to watch the streams a little like last year, towards the end of last year when I was at the warehouse, people remember Subby who, yo, Sizzy, that's crazy. People remember Subby who used to sit and trade with me. And his accounts were all 6k in profit. And then you want to know what he did? I'll tell you guys what he did. 6k in profit, all the accounts, right? He's like so close to getting a payout. This guy takes a bunch of Shinobi signals. Accounts blown. Accounts blown. He locked in with the shin booby, bro, and he got cooked. So that was my success story gone, bro. Like that was gonna be my success story right there. What do you think about Lucid trading? Lucid, I like Lucid, bro. That's why we got code key on Lucid, bro. Code key on Lucid, lock it in. Aight, let's bank moment. Nah, that was for sure Aight, let's bank moment. How much of a payout did he fumble there? 2k per account, bro. $40,000, 20 accounts. He was doing so good on those accounts. Apex had, you know, when Apex like did the thing where he like, if you make too much money basically without taking any losses on your first fresh batch, they'll be like, yo, this is sketchy. They even asked him to film himself trading and shit, and he had to do it. He did it. And bro, like, somehow still blew all 6 bands profit total. Bro, Funky, I answered your question already, and I told you, no, you cannot. Shame Shinobi that keeps gifting. Yeah, he's bro, genuinely dumb for that, man. I don't understand. Does Apex combine all accounts for a larger DD when they transition you to live? Yes. So your total balance, you can choose. The way Apex work is, let's say you have a total balance of $200,000. You can tell them, I want to get paid out 100 grand to my bank account, and I want the other 100 grand in a live account. Right? Or I want 150 grand, and I want 50 grand in a live account. You can tell them that, and that's what they'll do. So you get to decide how that gets distributed, but it would go like that. Do they ask people to film often? They used to. Some people, they used to. It's only the people who have like insane success right away, so it looks sketchy on their end, right? The kid had that was the first ever 20 batch accounts he ever bought in his life. First ever 20 accounts he ever bought in his life, right? And he took, I think, a total of maybe 2 losses, and just every trade was a win. Every trade was a banger. So he built up 6k profit total very quickly and was almost eligible for payout. He just was out of consistency by a little bit. So I think he was like 300, 400 bucks away from meeting consistency and getting a 2K payout per account, aka $40,000, and that's when he cooked the accounts. Yes, you can use a trade copier to pass them together, and you can still pass in one single day. If you use code key, you can pass in one day. What happened to Subby? I just told you, bro. He blew his accounts, so I think he's probably like a little discouraged. I don't know. I haven't talked to him in a little bit. I'm gonna call him and check up on him, bro. That's I should probably do that. Why has volume been so shit? It's not really bro. Like between just the volume being shit and price action being shit, it's just ass. It's very ass. We'll move at like very odd hours of the day. Like London had a movement, but there wasn't that nice of an entry here in London. Man, I had the longs too from the low, and I just closed them too early. Flip and flip. Does trade copier copy trades from different firms as well? It's just one firm, just multiple accounts. If you use something like Tradecopia, like I use Tradecopia, that's what I use to copy all my trades. You can connect multiple firms. So because war talks, PA is bad in all sessions. The problem is, so we know it's bad, but it just continues up instead of down. like what are we doing, bro? So average RR and win rate since 2026. This year, it's been pretty solid, bro. This year, average RR has been amazing. I think average RR using FDT, using top and bottom ticking model has been, I would say on average, we're looking at like 6 to 8 R, sometimes more. And you can go to the previous streams and see all the trades that we took on live with those. And win rate has been pretty solid too. Win rate recently actually just went, I mean, the last several trades that I've taken pretty much like in a row have been losses because of the way the market's going. So this week, I mean, we only have like, I only traded like 2 days this week, but this week has been shit for me. Last week I didn't really trade. But this week so far has been really, really ass. I'm right on the week. If blowing, then blowing all accounts at once with trade code. Yeah, I mean, that's like kind of the whole basis on of copy trading, right? Have you ever used TradeSyncer? I did use TradeSyncer in the past before. I had issues with TradeSyncer. I had an issue where for some reason one of my follower accounts was taking multiple contracts, whereas the rest of my accounts were all taking one contract. It was bugging out. It wasn't even the leader account. It was a follower account. So I switched off of Tradecopia and I went to, or sorry, I switched off of TradeSyncer and I went to Tradecopia. When do we get a Keyflow indicator? I'm in the middle of creating one right now. If I open this, you guys are going to see it. So I can't really open this, unfortunately. I'm in the middle of it right now, though. You just won't see it on my chart. But I'm creating one. High RR with a reasonable win rate is already insanely profitable. Yeah, it is 100%. It 100% is. So like a good example of that, we took 4 trades today, right? There was some wins, but I think it was 3 losses or 2 losses. And that's why I'm down 242 on these accounts total, right? On the account in its entirety, I'm down 400, or I'm down $500, basically $580 here. $570, $580 I'm down. So one single trade, I can tell you right now for a fact, one single trade that I take will make up the entire lost account. We'll go back to green. And that's like after 6 losses, right? The account will go right back to green. So that's why I'm never worried about this, you know. I know the RR we operate at is great. What did I tell you guys, bro? 10 a.m. is gonna open up. It's gonna push into previous day high. No fucking trade here. Literally nothing. Like, well, like what are we doing? I mean, previous day high was the draw. Like, that was the daily objective. After it hits previous day high, it's like, what are we gonna do? 25048.75. Another one to watch. This is the 4 hour. Wick CE, right? This hit this 4 hour fair value gap here. So there's the 4 hour Wick CE. We could watch that. Yeah, nothing really other than that. Nothing other than that. Previous day high coming in hot. Coming in hot. Ooh. All right, guys, I'm going to limit 25048. I'm going to limit this. Looking at 20 points of risk. So 20 points will put us at 68. Yeah. 68 is not bad. I'm down to try it at 68. 68 stop with a TP to the 4 hour low. Assuming that it comes up and hits this before it hits the 4 hour low. TP at 4 hour low, or maybe even this. 1370. All right. My limits are set. This is pretty much the last trade that I try out here for New York. Otherwise, I'm just, you know, not trading for the rest of New York. This is the 4 hour Wick CE, bro. 4 hour Wick CE. I know we have relative equal highs above this this limit. I'm well aware, bro. If you don't like it, don't take it. You know what I'm saying? But I like it, so I'm gonna take it. But if you're not a fan, don't take this. It is absolutely risky. We're a counter trend here. Definitely risky. Fully counter to the trend. But I like it. So I'm gonna try it. I will be live for Asia tonight. I will be live for Asia tonight, yes. You think price will hit Monday high? It's literally about to hit. No, this is Tuesday high. Monday high? I mean, I would like for it not to, but if it does, it does. If this is bullish, which I don't understand how this could be bullish, but if it's bullish, then yeah, it'll go hit Monday high, yes. My limit is at 25048. 25048. And then 25068 stop. So 20 points. Do, 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 do. How many codes are you giving away today? I'll give away like 3. I'll give away 3 codes. One hour, RB a little bit higher. I would be bullish up there. This is the last area for bearish. DM me those codes. Can't you put the TP a little lower since we're already down on the day? You can, but I'm okay with this right here. I'm fine with that. In fact, I'm actually even just fine with the current 4-hour low. How do you get all your accounts P&L shown like that on Tradeovate? If you have 20 accounts, it's gonna show it. It'll literally show you over there. As soon as you log in, it'll show them. Previous day high swept right there. Did you just enter a limit? No, that was my alert from previous day high. Secret deal with Iran. They say that? I'm only seeing bad news come up over here. I mean, NQ's up 1% on the day. Like, how, bro? I mean, I'm only seeing bad news. Like, I have not seen one good news come up on my feed yet. Almost to my limit. Remember, this is a little sketchy here, so just be careful if you take this with me. Okay, just got filled on that. It only filled me... Huh? Why did I just get filled 6? Hello? Oh, fuck no. Bro, that shit filled me for 6, dude. No way. Why did it do that? Oh, fuck no, Jit. How did it fill me for 6 contracts there? I had 3. This is going to stop out, though. Yeah, it looks like this is going to go for the stop. I don't think this is going to reject at any point. To 10 a.m. is just straight up. No manipulation leg lower. Damn, bro. I just took an unnecessary loss there using fucking 6 micros for no reason. I don't understand how it added 6 micros. Okay, I'm out of that. That's probably my last trade here. I'm not a fan of anything else, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The longs, obviously long is the move, but the long is not playing out to any... I mean, it's not playing out as in there's no setups, actionable setups that I'm seeing here. Like, we had this 15-minute right here. This 15-minute, we tested once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. After the 4th time, it went up. Like, that's not a good look at all, right? And then through here, no entry, not on the 15-minute. This leg here, at 7:30 a.m., there was a decent-looking long on this 15-minute candle. That's it. Literally it. Nothing else. Yeah, it's been pretty shit lately. It has been pretty shit. I'll be here for Asia, though. So I'll be here for Asia, and then I guess we'll see, like, you know, what happens. Maybe we can see some better PA. But right now, I feel like New York has been pretty shitty. I feel like New York has been ass. I'll give, bro, you know, I'm not in the vibe to give away codes right now, bro. Like, we're red on the day. Maybe in Asia, we will for sure, we'll for sure be doing some more, okay? In Asia, I'll give away a bunch of accounts, okay? Don't worry. Make sure you're there, bro. Make sure you're there. Just one? Okay. All right, hold on. I'll give you one. All right. All right, it's gonna be a Tradeify 50K select. Okay, Tradeify 50K select. Tradeify 50K select. Tradeify 50K select. Tradeify 50K select. Okay, I'm gonna put it up on my screen. This is the only one I'm giving for this stream. Tradeify 50K select code right here. 77. Yeah. There you go. Who got it? 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 Did somebody get it? Got it? Kai. Nice, bro. Let's go. Yeah, they're not going to allow multiple time use like Apex, bro. Like, that's it. All right. I'm out of here, guys. Lock in for the New York stream, bro. I'm not interested in trading this today, bro. I'm really not. Lock in with the Asia stream. I'm going to have more codes to give out. I'm going to have way more codes to give out. All right.